Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the photo's essential shapes so the cartoon reads clearly. Use a tablet or light box and trace major contours: head, eyes, jaw, clothing, because simplification drives style. Once done, block in proportions and exaggerate one feature to add personality. Make sure to keep gestures readable. This step establishes the foundation for line work and color, and it prevents rework later by locking in composition and key silhouette from the start. Next, you refine by inking and flattening colors to achieve that cartoon clarity. Use thicker lines where forms meet and thinner lines for details to imply depth. Once done, lay flat color blocks on separate layers so colors remain editable. Make sure to choose a limited palette to keep the look cohesive, then add simple cel-shaded shadows and one or two highlights to suggest volume without overworking the image. To finish, polish edges, adjust contrast, and add small effects that enhance the cartoon feel. You should check the silhouette and readability at thumbnail size, then clean stray pixels at 100% zoom. This ensures the image reads from a distance. Once satisfied, save an editable layered file and export a flattened PNG for sharing. If things go wrong, like muddy colors, reopen the layered file, reduce opacity of problematic layers, and tweak color balance until the image pops again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.